Welcome to my skincare routine. This cleanser keeps me hydrated.
I've been on the hunt for the perfect cleanser. And let me tell you, the Infinite Hydrating Cleanser is a game changer. It's like a drink of water for your skin. Packed with natural ingredients, it gently removes dirt and makeup without stripping away that essential moisture. You know that tight feeling you get after washing your face? Forget about it. This cleanser leaves your skin feeling soft and refreshed. What I love most is how it's suitable for all skin types. Whether you're oily, dry, or somewhere in between, it's got you covered. Plus, it's super easy to use. Just a pump or two, lather it up, and rinse. It's like a mini spa experience every time. And the best part? It's free from harsh chemicals, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. If you're looking for a cleanser that hydrates while it cleans, this is definitely worth a try. Your skin will thank you.